a number of activities concerned with weapons of mass destruction were prohibited and made punishable. These acts included, sir, acquiring, manufacturing, transporting, transferring, and otherwise dealing with weapons of mass destruction. So the biggest weapon of mass destruction is here, sir. They are the biggest weapons of mass destruction. They will destroy the country, sir.
My learned member, my colleague, Mahesh Jethmalani ji made a reference that we are destroying the country. The people who are opposing here in the well, they are destroying the country. So this is too far. We love this country. We love this country no less than you.
We will examine
this country. And
we will examine it.
So this should be expunged.
We will examine anything that is not supposed to be there. Will not be there.
This should be expunged. We are not destroying the country. We are the co-creators.
I've taken your point. I've taken your point.
Please don't say that we are destroying the country.
Please, Professor Jha, I've taken your point.